Another interesting control is the slider. It allows us to select a value from the defined range. It's a bar representing the defined range along which we can move a selector. It includes such fields as minimum, which in this example is set to 10, and maximum, which in our case is equal to 100. That's the range in which we slide our selector. The value field, with which we can set the selector's position, is at our disposal as well. One more thing we can use is orientation. It decides whether the track bar is vertical or horizontal. Now, to see an example, we'll create a grid with 2 rows. We'll put the slider in the first row, while the second will contain text block, which will bind with the value field of our slider. That way we'll know exactly to what value the selector is pointing.